currently I'm working as a salesperson, but my degree is actually for mechanical engineer. So I'm not doing my work as per my education. So
What sales are you doing?
uh, PCB manufacturing field, I'm a salesperson. I'm a quoting to customer.
Okay. I mean, you're still selling technical stuff, right?
Yeah, technical stuff.
Yeah.
Yes.
I mean, that's fine. I'll give you a comparison. So, one of our approvals a bunch of months ago was of customer success manager. It's kind of like a after sales support or maybe a sales kind of thing. But the person was doing, selling cybersecurity software. Of course, we rarely get this kind of profile because generally most people are most of our clients are also product managers or data some sort of engineer, mechanical, be it mechanic or data scientists, etc. Because the general Indian population is like that, right? Like these people are rare. Some are like in the healthcare area, FDA approvals or like biostatistics and stuff like that. But for the large part, people are engineers. But once in a while, we have people like these who are in the tech area, but like in sales or in the tech area in business development, etc. And we've been able to find like the appropriate niches so that they can build their profile and be successful as well.